2 x of 3n minus y of n minus 4. Yes. For example, you need to sketch this signal. Y of n minus 4. No. Okay, fine. It is absolutely fine. Okay, ji. So let's start. So this is the question that we have to do. We need to sketch this. Now, first of all, let's sketch x of n. Let's sketch x of n. So x of n is it exists from -3 till +1. So this is the range at which x of n exists from it exists at -3, it exists at -2, it exists at -1, 0 and 1, because less than 2 means 1.
Yes, sir.
1, 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and so on.
अगर वो
n greater than -4 means -3.
इक्वालिटी के लिए इक्वल टू साइन होता तब 2 को इंक्लूड करते हैं, ठीक हो गया?
Exactly. If it is like this, then you have to include -4 and 2, otherwise not. Okay, now put the values of n over here, because the magnitude of x of n depends upon the value of n. Yes,
Yes,
so if you put -3, if you put n equals to -3, so you will get -3 -1 -4, and modulus will make it positive.
That
Modulus
will be 3 multiplied by 4 is 12.
12. Now put n equals to -2. So -2 -1 -3. So 3 times 3, it would be 9. Similarly, if you put -1 -1 -2, it would become +2. 3 2s are 6. If you put 0, then 3 into 1, 3. If you put 1, 1 minus 1, 0. Okay. Any question? So far, so good. No questions?
Till now, no question.
Now let's sketch y of n. Y of n exists from -2 till 0. So at 0, if you put 0 over here, you will get 1. So at 0, the magnitude is
1.
1. If you put -1 over here, you will get 2.
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no?
Yes, sir, because then the 2 will come over and the 1 will go down.
if you put -2 over here, you will get 4. Okay, so these are the magnitudes, these are the values of x of n. One, 2, and 4. Now what we need to do, let's sketch this part first. Now let's sketch this part. Look, x3 of n, we are sketching x3 of n. Now you can see that 3 is being multiplied with the values of n. So what is x of n? Basically, we have to multiply the values of n by 3. The values of n by 3. So these are the values of n. -3,
What about
-1,
sir?
0, 1. Okay. Now, when you multiply 3 with -3, what will you get? When you multiply 3 with -3, what will you get?
Multiplied by -3.
Hmm?
That is -9.
-9. So it means the first sample of x of n will now exist at -9, which is 12. The magnitude is 12. Now, what else? You can see that you have to scale it as well. You have to multiply every magnitude by 2.
Yes, sir.
So 12 2s are 24. You have to multiply every magnitude by 2. Now, similarly, if you multiply this 3 with -2, you will get -6. So at -7, at -8, there is nothing. At -7, there is nothing. At -6, you will get 9 2s are 18. Okay, you will get the same magnitude that was at -2. Now you will get that at -6, and the magnitude will be twice, will become twice. Is it clear? Now the next value
Yes,
of
sir.
n is -1. So 3 into -1 will be -3. -5, -4, -3. Now this 6 will come here, and you
Will
have to multiply
multiplied
this
by
6
2 become
by 2.
12.
It will get 12.
12.
Similarly, multiply 3 with the next value of n, which is 0. 3 zeros are 0. -2, -1, 0. So at 0, the amplitude will be 3 2s are 6. Now the last amplitude, which is 0, so it will stay 0. So this is
Yes, sir.
what? This is
Scaled 2x
yes.
x3n.
This is the
2x3.
sketch of 2x3n. This is the sketch of 2x3n. Now let's sketch y of n minus 4. Y of n minus 4 means you have to shift this y of n on the right side by 4 samples. And you
Yes, sir.
shift this towards the right side 4 samples, then 0 will go at 4.
To 4, sir.
1 minus 1, the sample that is at -1 will be shifted
Will
at
go to 3, sir.
3. Yes. Let's sketch it over here. So we are sketching y of n minus 4. Two, 3, and 4. The signal will be moved over here. 4, 2, and 1. Now you have to subtract it. You have to subtract it. It's easy peasy. You have to subtract these two values. Now we are doing 2. We are sketching 2 of 3 minus y of n minus 4. Now this will, now 24 minus 0, 24, 18 minus 0, 18, 12 minus 0, 12, 6 minus 0, 6. So all
Yes,
these
sir.
samples will remain same. Now look at this. So it would be 18, 12, and 6.
Yes,
Is it
sir.
clear till now?
Yes, sir.
Now, what are the magnitudes of x of n at 2, 3, and 4?
0, sir.
0.
0, sir.
So 0 minus 4 will be?
0, sir.
No.
-4. I mean.
Minus 4. So you have to draw, you have to sketch -4 like this. Similarly, 0 minus 2, -2. Then -1. Yes. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
This is how we sketch signals in discrete
A
time.
signal.
Can you
Yes,
do
sir.
this? Can you do the same operation for continuous time systems signals?
Then it will be same, right? Plotting is always same.
Yes, it is.
But
it
how
is
about the addition and subtraction?
what?
What about the addition and subtraction?
Addition and subtraction.
मतलब वो ऑपरेटर्स कैसे लगेंगे?
We did something wrong. Yes, we did something wrong. So this is not
You
the right
forgot
answer.
the n-1.
No. Look, it just came into my mind. Actually, this is wrong. This part is wrong.
Right?
This part is wrong. Okay. Thank God. What you have to do? I literally forgot. Look, it is x of 3n. X of 3n. Now, you cannot multiply the values of n by 3. X of 3n doesn't mean this. What you have to do? You have to do this thing. If they are being multiplied, you have to do this.
Yeah, because when it's getting multiplied, the time will decrease, so it will get divided.
Exactly. So when
Because
it is,
signal is becoming faster, so we divide it to make it more
yes,
like
yes,
samples
yes,
jaldi aate hain usse.
exactly. So n by 3, it would be n by 3. So you have to divide all values of n by 3. So let's start from here. Minus 3 by 3 would be minus 1.
Yes.
It would be minus 1, and minus 1 is over here. So 12 twos are 24. Now divide minus 2 by 3. You will get a decimal value,
Yes, sir.
but you cannot plot this decimal value over here because we are sketching
Yes.
at n at x-axis, which is labeled as n. We have labeled our x-axis by n. N is an integer. N is an integer. 0 plus minus 1 plus minus 2. N is not a real number. So you cannot sketch at a real number of n, real value of n, because decimal values does not exist here. Okay, decimal values does
Yes.
not exist, so you cannot sketch at minus 2 by 3. Okay, now what about minus 1 by 3? No. What about 0 by 3? Yes, because 0 by 3 will be 0.
Yes.
So you have to sketch this at 0, and you have to multiply the value of x of n by 2. So 3 twos are 6. 6. Similarly, yeah, that's it. So we are getting only two samples at minus 1 and at 0. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So this was a blender that we did. Now, when you subtract these two, you will get
Last 11:30.
we forgot to label this as well. It would be 2, 3, 4, 1, 0, minus 1. So now we will get 24 at minus 1, because 24 minus 0 would be 24. 6 minus 0 would be 6. And at 1 there is nothing. So this is the right answer. This is the final answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Similarly,
Okay.
if the question is in continuous time, if the or for example, if you have to sketch this, then what you have to do? You have to multiply the values of n by
सर n जो है वो x axis को represent कर रहा है, so it's like n divided by 2, the sample, right? The range divided by 2 in this case.
can you repeat? What are you saying?
The n by 2 means the value of 2, let's say 2 divided by 2 or
No. In this case, you have to multiply every value by 2.
By 2.
Yes. आपने करना क्या होता है basically you have to take it equal to a dummy variable and not you cannot use k, you can use any other value. For example, you can use n1, okay,
Okay.
or n1 or n prime. Let's take n prime. Now you have to take it equals to n prime, then you have to make n the subject of the formula. You have to make this n the subject. How? This 2 will go there. Now look at this. Now you have to multiply
Yes, sir.
every value of n. You have to name this as n dash, and the new axis will be n. The new
Okay,
axis
sir.
will be n. The previous axis will be n dash.
And
Okay.
all right.
So this is how you can do. If it is x of 4n, then same, you have to take it equal to n dash, n prime, and you have to make n the subject of the formula.
And
Yes, n by 4. So you have to divide all values of n dash by 4 to get new values of n. Okay. Similarly, yes, one more question. Similarly, if the question is like this, 2n minus 3, if you want to sketch this, then
sir, we will take 2 common. No,
no,
not
no, no,
common.
no.
How can we take 2 common?
You have to do it like this. Now you have to make n the subject of the formula. Minus 3 will come here, and yes, this is how we do. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, if it is a continuous time system, x of t by 2 plus 4. If you want to sketch this, if x of t is given, if any x of t is given, for example, this x of t is given. This is the x of t which is given.
Yes, sir.
1, 0, and for example, it is 3. Now, you have to sketch this. How can you sketch this? You have to take it equals to any dummy variable,
T prime.
t prime, for example.
T
Yes.
prime.
Make t the subject.
T prime minus 3 divided. Minus 4, sir. Minus 4
Yes. Now,
multiplied by 2.
exactly. Now, let's sketch it. So you have to take only the values of t prime. You have to name it as t prime. You have to take only those values of t prime at which the values
The
are
signal exists.
being changed. Look, the value from -1 till 0 have the same pattern. It has the same
Yes, sir.
pattern. Okay. So only take values जहां पर एक abrupt change आ रहा है, sequence
Yes, sir.
pattern change हो रहा है. Okay. So if you take only these values, let's do it like this. We are putting t prime and we will get new t. So we are taking -1, 0, and 3 only. So put t prime equals to -1. So -1 minus 4, -5,
Yeah.
-5 into 2, -10.
Minus 10.
If you put t prime equals to 0, you will get -8. If you put t prime equals to 3 minus 4, -1, -2.
Yeah. Sir,
Now,
ये signal advance हो रहा है according to this.
yes, signal is being advanced. Now, what you have to do? The signal which was from -1 till 0, you have to sketch the same signal from -10 till -8.
-8, sir.
Yes. So you have to sketch the same signal from -10 till -8. The same signal. And the signal was like this. It was going up. Okay. Now, what's next? You have to sketch the same signal which was from 0 till 3. Now add from -8 till -2. So it would be like this. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So this was signal sketching. Your professor can also ask you, give you a question like this: -t/2 + 4. What will you
Yes,
do?
sir, first we'll have to. Sir, the sign will change. But the sign will change because we'll have to do the subject note.
Yeah, you have to consider all this equals to a dummy variable like this. You have to put minus over here. Okay, then minus would be here, -2, it would become -2 times the whole thing. Now what will you get if you put -1? So -1 -4 -5, -5 into -2 +10, then +8, then -1 +2.
Yes, sir.
Now, how can you draw this signal?
Sir, same, but with the positive values.
No. It's a
No,
tricky.
sir, it will get flipped, sir.
Yes. 10, 8 and 2.
10 से 8 तक स्लोप होगी और फिर वो ड्रॉप आएगा.
Okay. Like this.
No, sir. It will
Like
rise
this.
from 10 till 8, continue till 2, then drop.
Yes. Now look at this. You can also get it from here. At 0, the signal previously at 0, the signal was, for example, 2. The signal was 2 at 0. Here, the signal would be 2 at 8. At 8, the signal would be 2. Okay, so this is how you can get some help. So this is how you can draw the signal. Is it clear?
Yes.
So this was signal sketching. Now let's start a new video for convolution. Okay.
सर माजरत के साथ सर क्लास एंड कर सकते हैं.
Okay, let's end this class. See you tomorrow, inshallah.
I'm very tired.
Okay,
Sorry
Allah
for that.
Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.